Today, we'll guide you through the process of turning off Etsy phone calls, giving you more control over your communication preferences. Let's begin. Step 1. Sign in to your Etsy account. Start by logging into your Etsy account using your username and password. Once logged in, you'll be ready to adjust your communication settings. Step 2. Access your account settings. Navigate your account settings, and you can typically find this by clicking on your profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. Then, selecting Account Settings from the drop-down menu. Step 3. Go to Communication Preferences. Within your account settings, look for the Communication Preferences or Notifications option. Click on it to access the page where you can manage your communication settings. Step 4. Manage your phone call preferences. On the Communication Preferences page, you may see options to customize how Etsy contacts you. Including phone calls, look for an option related to phone calls or voice communications. Step 5. Turn off phone calls. To turn off Etsy phone calls, look for a checkbox or toggle switch that allows you to opt out for receiving phone calls. Click on this option to disable phone calls from Etsy. Step 6. Save your changes. After adjusting your phone call preferences, be sure to save your changes by clicking on the Save or Update button. Step 7. Confirm your choice. Etsy may ask you to confirm your decision to opt out of phone calls. Follow any additional prompts and instructions to confirm your preferences. And that's it. You've successfully turned off Etsy phone calls, giving yourself a break from unwanted interruptions. If you ever want to start receiving phone calls again, you can always revisit your communication preferences and make changes. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.